This is how to reset your TPMS light, your tyre pressure monitoring system warning light, when you've had a puncture or service or something like that. You've had a slow and you've pumped them up. Pretty simple. We're just going to be using the button on the end of the indicator stalk to reset it. So ignition on, as you can see, and then using the button, press the button, scroll it through the various settings till we get to set info, press and hold. Now into the settings, now then just press and release, it's due for service. Then we get for reset tyre pressure, press and hold, and that's it, reset. You can go through the rest of the settings, press and hold on home, comes back to your main part of the dash, and then cycle the ignition, start up. Yes, it's due for service, that'll be another video. Clear that, no tyre pressure warning light. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.